Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Alfa Financial. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Alfa Financial is a licensed CFD broker that was founded in 1993 and is regulated by the Securities and Commodities Authority, the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry, as well as the Economic Department of Dubai. This broker offers advanced trading platforms, 24-hour customer support, and competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs, metals, energies, futures, and CFDs. You will also have access to beginner-friendly guides, in-depth market outlooks, news updates, and an economic calendar. Alfa Financial offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs and futures. As a client, you can trade on either MetaTrader 4 or Alfa's proprietary AX1 platform. There is one standard account that will give you full access to all the tools, resources, and instruments this broker offers. Alfa Financial provides 24-hour customer support, in-depth market outlooks, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Alfa Financial offers a wide range of Forex pairs, metals, energies, futures, commodities, and CFDs on gold, crude oil, and more. There are more than 50 tradable currency pairs and dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Alfa Financial, click on the Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 100 when trading with Alfa Financial. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. Typical spreads start from as low as 0.8 pips when trading with this broker, and commission fees are low on most instruments. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Alfa Financial customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also submit a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Reach Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the customer support team at any time. Alfa Financial provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You will find all the information you need by using the menu bar at the top of the page or browsing the menus at the bottom of the homepage. Their homepage highlights some of the perks of trading with Alfa Financial, and you can find live spreads further down the page. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Research and Education tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We always recommend reading the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join any broker. As an Alfa Financial client, you can use MetaTrader 4 and the Alfa AX1 proprietary platforms. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. This platform can be downloaded for free from the Alfa Financial website, Google Play, or the MetaTrader official websites. Alfa Financial also offers the AX1 platform, which is a proprietary platform with a wide range of customized solutions for personal and business use. AX1 is a secure, multilingual trading platform that has a user-friendly interface. This platform uses intelligent order matching and routing systems to give you the best execution speed and provides updated economic news. It also has a built-in economic calendar and live charts with customizable indicators. AX1 also comes with high-end technical analysis tools, single-click execution, and live account statements. You can use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you'd prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and the AX1 platforms, click on the Platforms tab for a full list of features and direct download links. Alfa Financial offers one standard live trading account and a demo account for practicing or testing strategies. Considering that Alfa Financial requires a higher minimum deposit, we recommend opening a demo account first, before making any financial commitments, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you are ready to open a live account, at least $5,000 must be deposited initially to activate your account. Once that is done, you can trade on any of the platforms provided, and you will have access to all the instruments this broker offers. Creating an account with Alfa Financial may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is free, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Alfa Financial homepage, and then click on the Open Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log into the client portal. If you'd like to check out the platforms and see if you like the look and feel of this broker's website, you can easily open a demo account in only 30 seconds. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been set up, verified, and approved, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the Alfa Financial AX1 proprietary trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the AX1 platform with Alfa Financial. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, you can monitor your instruments and add favorites to your watch list. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click order window. A minimum deposit of $5,000 is required to open an account with Alfa Financial, and your account can be funded using US dollars. You can make a secure deposit using bank transfers, and bank fees will depend on the bank you use. In order to make a withdrawal, all you need to do is log into your account and click on the Withdraw button to complete the transaction. As a trader or investor, Having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. If you are new to trading, we recommend reading the beginner's guides to help you understand the basics of trading before you open your account. Alfa Financial provides in-depth market outlooks, and we recommend bookmarking this page and checking it often to see what's driving the markets. This broker provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. You can use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology and/or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account, so there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Alfa Financial is an excellent option for experienced traders and professional investors looking for advanced platforms, in-depth market outlooks, and competitive trading conditions. Alfa Financial is one of the oldest brokers in Dubai and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Alfa Financial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.